Well, hello everybody, Sharon from Vivid Days, and it's nice. So I thought I'd take the afternoon out of my studio into the back garden and do a little bit of art from here. Hope you don't mind. So in what was last night to me, my live, where I did some Jesmonite and I created this, what I think is a beautiful summer container. This is the one what was perfectly circle, and we are going to bling it up, and I'm going to use this pen and we're just going to go around the edge here. That was inspired for me by Claire's Crafty Corner, so shout out to you, my girlfriend. And it really does make a value. It really helps bring out the detail, makes it pop. It's an optional extra. You may not want to do it. I'm going to do it around the outside, possibly leave the lid as it is, or come and embellish a little bit, but I want to keep the essence of this really nice, bright, happy piece. Anyway, I'm going to bring my camera down so you can see me do this now. So how cool is that? And it just goes to show, if other people are making the molds, you can still customize them to make them yours. And on the lid, I just highlighted a little bit of the flower and just around the edge and kept that color true. We've gone around the edge there and around the side. So I think that's added value. Thank you so much for sharing this, Claire. I really do enjoy doing that. And yeah, make them your own. Go for it. Absolutely beautiful design in my opinion. All right, see you on the next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me.